Alright guys, welcome to the video. So in this video, I want to talk about the Bambu Lab P1S. Now, why did I get the Bambu Lab P1S? I mean, I do have other 3D printers before I got the Bambu Lab P1S. Now, I got 3 Cobra 2 Maxes, and they print awesome 3D prints as well, as you guys can see. But yeah, there you go. But why did I end up getting the Bambu Lab P1S after having other 3D printers? Well, the reason why, not only does it 3D print awesome 3D prints, I mean the quality is just amazing. This was the very first print that I did when I first got my Bambu Lab P1S, and yeah, I was blown away. Not just because of the print quality, but because of the speed that the Bambu Lab P1S was 3D printing the print. I mean, look at that speed. That speed is just insane. I mean, to be honest, if I would print prints on my Cobra 2 Maxes at that speed, I'm gonna be honest, I'm gonna be having some issues. Till this day, I still have issues. Like when I'm starting out a print, like I have to start them out in stable mode, and stable mode is it's like the slowest speed setting. So this is pretty much like stable mode right here, and this is the standard mode where I got it at, which is already fast, but there's also a sport mode for speed as well, which I never use, to be honest. I mean, with the standard mode, there's times where I'm starting a print and I always like to use brims on my prints. I mean, it's just always what I did. It's like a safe mode for me to where I can make sure that the print is gonna stay on the print bed. That's why I always like to use brims. Is that what you see right here? These are brims, and I always like to use those on all of my 3D prints. Again, that way I can make sure that while the 3D printer is printing the print, I can make sure that the print stays on the print bed. Now, almost on every single print, I need to put it in stable mode while at the beginning of the print, because if I don't, if I have it on standard, the print is going at a speed to where it seems like the nozzle where it spits out the filament, it's like it cannot keep up with the speed, so the filament does not stick to the print bed, which is kind of a frustration. Now, with the Bambu Lab P1S, on the other hand, you are not going to have that issue. I mean, based on my experience. And again, look at the speed. And this is pretty much beginning to end. This is how fast it was 3D printing it from the very beginning all the way up to now. And I mean, look at the print quality. There's no decrease in print quality. And another thing that I like about the Bambu Lab P1S is it's also great for beginners. Even though this 3D printer is capable of coming out with high quality prints, like professional looking prints, even a beginner can make these 3D models, make these 3D prints at this quality, because the Bambu Lab P1S is also great for beginners. It's very easy to navigate through the screen, and I myself is still a fresh owner of a Bambu Lab P1S, but I'm very comfortable already using it. There's no reason why a beginner would have a hard time with a 3D printer. I mean, the bed leveling is awesome on this thing. The print quality is just amazing, and you'll be able to spit out prints at very fast speeds. And if you guys do go with the combo, which is an awesome option, I highly recommend it, you're able to 3D print not only in one color prints, but multicolor prints. And you can also use different filaments as well with the Bambu Lab P1S. There's a long list of filaments that you guys can use that are compatible with the Bambu Lab P1S. All you need to do is just enter and type in the information on the Bambu Lab Studio for the filament, and you're pretty much all set to go. Like the filament that I'm using right now is actually Anycubic filament, as you guys can see. I'm using Anycubic filament. I also have Overture filament, as you guys can see, Anycubic, and that's the same brand that I'm using right now, which is this one. So you got a wide range of options on pretty much everything. And another awesome feature on the Bambu Lab P1S is that it also has a built-in camera to where you can also capture time-lapse videos as well on your 3D prints. All right, so the 3D print is done on the Bambu Lab P1S, and let's take a quick look. So I mean, look at the print quality on this thing. This looks awesome, and it was done at really fast speeds as well. So taking the prints off of the Bambu Lab P1S, here we go. I mean, look at that. That just came right off. And I mean, look at the print quality. I mean, look how smooth that is. It's crazy. Look at that. That is insane. And this is articulated. So as you guys can see, the parts are freely moving. I mean, look at that. That is awesome. So let's take a look at the rest of the print, and let's take it off. Just like that. And that looks awesome. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at the print. All right, guys, so here is the prints from the Bambu Lab P1S, and it came out fantastic. And especially look at the top of the head of the articulated tree frog. I mean, that is super nice and smooth. And yeah, so let's get right into this. Let's put this guy together. So the articulated tree frog, it gets 3D printed in two parts. It also comes with another head, I believe, that the eyelids, you can 3D print them horizontally, but on this print, I like the eyes vertically. So these are 3D printed vertically, but yeah. So let's put this guy together. So there's just a little bit of supports that you need to remove from here. And it's very easy. And I like how the supports as well come off a lot easier as well on the Bambu Lab P1S. I mean, look at that. Super easy compared to my Anycubic Cobra 2 Maxes. Whenever I use supports on them, I mean, the supports tend to be a little bit tougher to remove, but I did do some setting changes on my supports, so I'm going to check on my next prints here on how that is. So make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. All right, so I got the supports removed, as you can see. So I should be able to just snap this guy's head right on. All right, so here we go. All right, here we go. His head just snaps right on, just like so. And here he is, guys. Cute little guy. But yeah, I mean, the print quality on the Bambu Lab P1S is just amazing. I mean, look at this. I mean, I honestly don't need to do anything else to this print. No sanding whatsoever. But yeah, I mean, the Bambu Lab P1S is an amazing printer. And again, if you guys are new to 3D printing, there's no worries at all. I mean, the Bambu Lab P1S is very easy to use, very easy to navigate through and learn. And yeah, you'll be off to the races 3D printing awesome models just like this articulated tree frog. And this guy is very, very cool. But yeah, if you guys like the video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.